Maboy from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back with some for the channel Fragheads RX, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of this fragrance from the house of Reyane Tradition. It's none other than Insurrection II Wild. So what are we waiting for? Stay tuned! It's been a while since I made an unboxing video and I'm very much excited to open this package, this fragrance right here. I got this from Perfumes of Dubai. I linked their page down below for about 30 to 35 US dollars, 1,500 pesos. So it's a very cheap fragrance. Okay, so this is the most awaited part of the video, the unboxing part. So I'll be opening this package right here using my handy dandy knife and I'll open it carefully. There. It's sealed and today we'll be opening this package right now. There. So as you can see in front, it says here Wild. It comes in this sturdy box, very sturdy box. It looks like a book. If you can see it here guys, Wild. And this is the bridge. I don't know if you call it bridge right here, and you can read Insurrection II here. And the back we can see here, Reyane Tradition, the ingredients. It's an exclusive distributor for the USA, US and Ireland. Exclusive distributor for the US and Ireland. As you can see here, eau de toilette concentration 90 milliliters. There, 3 fluid ounces. So it has a very good presentation, guys. Look at the top. You can see the logo. I don't know if this is the logo of Reyane Tradition, but it's pretty cool, guys. Also at the bottom part of the box. So at the top and at the bottom part of the box, and you can see here the one we will pull if we will open the package also has the logo. So, and here's the batch code. I think the batch code there. Okay, so let's go now and open this package. Okay, so you will pull this strap and ta-da! Here's the bottle and oh, okay. So we have a letter. I don't know what this letter is. Okay, so here's the letter. There. You may pause this video so you can read this one. Reyane Tradition, Karina H Full Metal Jacket, Paris Parfums. There. Just pause it guys so you can read it. And at the back, for external use only. Of course, definitely. For external use only. Avoid spraying in eyes. Definitely. Keep out reach of children. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the bottle. And oh. Okay, so this is the bottle in the case, and at the back we can see that it's just the same with the back of this external covering. And at the top of this case, this yellow case, we can see here Reyane Tradition Paris, also at the bottom part right there. So this is the package, and it has this strap where you will pull this strap and you will get the bottle already. So speaking of the bottle, this is the bottle itself. It comes in this very elegant bottle design. Comes in this brownish yellowish bottle, and there's nothing in front, no label. You can see the label here. There, Insurrection II. Insurrection II. It comes in this gold plated, and as you can see here, nothing again at the back. And if you look at the bottom of the bottle, we can see here 3 fluid ounces, 90 milliliters. It's an eau de toilette concentration. And this is the cap. Again, the familiar design. Very elegant design. And it says here, Paris, there, Paris for man. Okay. So it comes again in this gold-plated cap right here. And this is the sprayer again in gold, plated in gold. There. So let's now test the sprayer. Nothing came out on the first spray. Nothing on the second. Third spray. Okay, it sprays this huge amount of mist. So that's for the presentation of Insurrection II Wild. Okay guys, it's a very loud fragrance. I can smell this fragrance right away. The scent of this fragrance is filling up my room already. And right away, I was immediately reminded of this fragrance. Yes, they are right, guys. Right off the bat, I was immediately reminded of this fragrance. Thierry Mugler's Pure Havane. They say that this is a clone of this one, Thierry Mugler's Pure Havane, and I believe they're right. In the initial spray, yeah, they smell pretty similar. Okay, I will spray this Thierry Mugler Pure Havane so we can compare the two fragrances. Again, Pure Havane, very difficult sprayer. Okay, there. Okay, let's wait for them to dry down first. Okay, so for the initial spray of these two fragrances right here, I sprayed the Insurrection II Wild here on my left arm and Mugler's Pure Havane here on my right arm. So I'll first smell this Insurrection II Wild. Okay, so this really smells pretty similar with Thierry Mugler's Pure Havane, but what I can notice is that it's more bubblegummy compared to this Pure Havane. Now they really smell pretty similar, guys, almost 95% identical. Yes, guys, they're pretty much identical, these two fragrances right here. That cherry tobacco vibe is they really get it, guys. This Reyane Tradition really got the formula of Pure Havane. That cherry tobacco vibe is really there. Yeah, I can smell no difference. Yes, guys. They pretty much smell alike, guys. These two fragrances right here. Wow, guys, I'm really amazed with this Insurrection II Wild. It's like 95% identical with this Pure Havane. I'm not kidding, guys. They literally smell alike. It's like Reyane Tradition got the perfumer of this Pure Havane and they poured Mugler's Pure Havane in a different bottle, which is this one, Insurrection II Wild. They pretty much smell the same, guys. Literally smell the same. I'm not kidding, guys. They smell the same. So how will I describe the middle part of these two fragrances right here? I'll start off with this one, Thierry Mugler's Pure Havane. It maintained the initial opening, that rich cherry tobacco opening, and it continues up to the middle part of the life of this fragrance, while this one, Insurrection II Wild, somehow tamed a bit. Again, they're 95% identical. That's just my opinion, guys. They are very much identical, about 95%. This one, Thierry Mugler Pure Havane, has more punch, more kick into it than this one at the middle part of these two fragrances. So for the dry down of these two fragrances right here, I'll start off first with Pure Havane. Yes, guys, it's still kicking, guys. That cherry tobacco vibe is still there, while this Insurrection II Wild, well, it's still somehow there, but it's completely faded. So let's wrap up these first impressions of this Insurrection II Wild right here. I'm pretty much happy with this blind buy. I bought it because I was looking for an alternative with this Pure Havane because I'm almost running out of juice already. And I found out that this is a clone of this Pure Havane and it costs half of this Pure Havane. So now that I've smelled this Insurrection II Wild, I'm pretty much happy with this Insurrection II Wild. It smells the same, about 90 to 95% identical with this Pure Havane. The only difference that I've smelled is that this, of course, definitely has more punch, more kick into it because this is the original and this is just a clone. But some clones smell pretty much identical and performs way better than the original. But in the case of Insurrection II Wild, on my initial impressions, I do get that this is somehow a tamed version of this Pure Havane. Am I happy with this purchase? Definitely yes, guys. I'm really happy with this blind buy, Insurrection II Wild by Reyane Tradition. You heard my first impressions. Now what are your thoughts with regards to this fragrance? Insurrection II Wild by Reyane Tradition. Do you own this bottle? Or do you also own this Thierry Mugler's Pure Havane? Which one do you prefer? Which one is your favorite tobacco-based fragrance? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Fragrance RX. Again, this is Wetso for the channel Fragrance RX, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant!